Okay, what the heck, bro? SBL for my county now? That's insane. Oh goodness, I'm in SBR! Oh gosh.
County in northeastern New Jersey, Queens County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, southwestern Nassau County in southeastern New York, until 4 p.m.
Let's go! I'm in SBR!
Severe thunderstorms
What the heck?
are located along a line extending from near Fairfield to near Florham Park to Peapeck and Gladstone, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard.
It's on 96.7 FM.
Wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage
Yeah,
to
it's on
trees and
96.7,
power
I can
lines.
hear it.
Severe thunderstorms will be near Bloomfield and Orange around 3:25 p.m. Plainfield and Harrison around 3:30 p.m. Newark and Secaucus around 3:35 p.m. Jersey City and Elizabeth around 3:40 p.m. Leon and Midtown Manhattan around 3:40 p.m. Newark at 3:50 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damage wind and continuous
Yankee fan trust
are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by it.
Yeah, 96.7 is happening.
Is occurring with these storms and may lead to minor early rainfall and 3:45 p.m. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. 3:50 p.m.
Thank you. Close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to minor urban and or drainage flooding.
What the heck?
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating.
Bro, what the heck now? SMW, great! Bro.
Eastern New York out 20 nautical miles, New York Harbor. At 3:20 p.m. Stronger thunderstorms were